Why should a BMW Certified Collision Repair Center be your only choice for collision restoration? Because you want the level of service and care synonymous with the BMW name and standard. You want to be certain that your BMW is restored to its original factory safety specifications by BMW certified technicians, using only original BMW parts and specialized equipment and tools specifically designed for use with your BMW. You should choose a BMW Certified Collision Repair Center because you don't simply want to repair the body of your BMW. You also need to restore its soul.